bata, pumunta sa harapan ng ina. Sabi niya, you know what, Mommy? If you would like to listen to me, you have to look at my eyes and then stay still. Huminto ka. Tingnan mo po ako. Maririnig mo ako. Now, Martha and Mary, when Jesus visited their place, Martha was busy preparing the food. And it was tradition for them, just like Filipinos, to be hospitable. Kaya busy siya luto ng mga pagkain, kung ano-ano. While Mary was also attentively listening to Jesus. And Martha said, Jesus, would you like to ask my sister to help me? Sabi ni Jesus, alam mo ba, Martha, na mas mahalaga ang ginagawa ni Mary kaysa sa ginagawa ko. Kung di lang ako panahon ko dito, ang pagkain pinagulong ko ito yung pagkatapos magkakita. Well, listening involves more than our ears. Higit po na kailangan, more than our ears, ang ating pakikinig ay kailangan tayo ay huminto sa ating ginagawa. Wala po sa excite kung magsasalita ako dito tapos kailangan po lang natin sa bawah. All of you are also busy talking to each other. Now, we need to have our eyes focused on who we are talking to. And we have to give the full undivided attention. Listening is not only hearing words. Listening is the first step to being a good communicator. In Proverbs 18 verse 13 it says, he who answers before listening, that is his folly and his shame. Ulitin ko po. Kung sino man po daw ang sumasagot bagong makinig, that is his folly and his shame. May bata kami sa bahay, minsan tinawag mo pa lang, parang alam mo yung kung anong sasabihin mo. Alam ko na, sumigaw na. But when she would go down, iba naman yung dala. Kasi you need to listen first before saying or before answering back. Now, have you ever tried talking to God? Did He ever listen to you? You know what? God shows when you speak to Him and He listens and He speaks through the Bible and we listen by studying His Word. Nagagawa po ba natin ito? Gusto lang po natin sa ating prayer, bless us, give us, give us. Did we ever say, please talk to us through your words? And how can we know His will for us if we don't take the time to read? Meron ba tayong panahon ng basa ng Biblia? Isang verse pa lang, antok na. Ba't kayo nakakaantok basahin ang Bible dahil? Ano ko yung ninyo? Ba't kaya antok na antok tayo pag yung pinag-uusapan? Parang nakikita ko si Pastor Acosta katabi ni Kuya Rudy. And we don't have time to reflect. After reading, parang naging obligasyon lang, ay kasi kailangan kong gawin magbasa. Kasi pag hindi ako magbasa, wala akong connection sa Diyos. But you haven't thought about what you have read. And do you just listen? Before I sit down, I want you to have an assignment in your own place right now, if you have your Bibles with you. 1 John 5:14 and 15. But I'll leave you with this. God is the best listener. You don't need to cry or shout out loud because He even hears the very silent prayer of a sincere heart. Happy Sabbath.